This video will help you while replacing the engine oil and filter in Mercedes A200 with engine M282 engine. So first of all, just start the engine for operating temperature. After that, switch off the engine and open the filler cap. This car have drain plug, so we have to drain the oil from engine drain plug. So first of all, just remove. These are the protection screw 8 mm, and there are two clip. Also we have to remove. Then we can remove the protection. Then we can see here, this is the protection of engine oil pan, and this one is the holding a lock. So these are the lock clip. We have to remove the clip. Then we can remove this protection. So this is the engine oil filter and this is the drain plug. So this is the tool I make for engine oil drain plug, and this one 27mm socket box, and this is the ratchet, and this is the clip removal tool. These are the tools required for this job. So first of all, I lose this filler and now I am draining the engine oil. So every time we have to replace the washer. So this one is the completely drained. It's the engine oil filter. Clean, and then now I'm fixing it's a new filter after cleaning. And also you have to change the o-ring, that one leak protection. So this one torque is the 25 Nm torque, and check it's a proper cleaning. Now we have to replace the washer, drain plug washer. So always we have to replace this washer. So it's a protect the engine oil draining, engine oil leaking. And this drain plug torque is the 50 plus minus 10, so you can put 40 and 50. So the oil capacity is 5.1 and we are using oil grade 0W20. So in this car engine oil grade has been changed. So whenever you are changing the oil in this model year 2024, this engine, you have to confirm with this engine number. Then we can check the now engine oil level. So this is the good way to go in the workshop menu. Then you can choose the engine oil level. So now it's showing 4.7. we have to add some oil,